Hey guys, Ethan here, back with another vicrez install video. Today we'll be installing a Hellcat Redeye spoiler for this 2020 Challenger S16. Part number is vz102182. First step will be to remove these 8 clips within the trunk. You will need a clip remover. We remove the camera wire by pressing in the clip. Removing it. Up with a 10mm wrench, we'll start by removing these caps. Coming to the other side, repeat the same steps. So next step, with the pry tool and a microfiber cloth, we'll come under the spoiler and begin to remove the 3M tape. Coming back to the other side with pressure, you hear a pop.
So in this part, we're going to use the blade to cut
off the 3 pieces of 3M. So see, that one's already cut off loose right here. So all we need is the ones on the rear now, these. So you want to go ahead and push up as much as you can the spoiler so we could get the knife in here.
Okay.
There'll be 2 strips of 3M. And that should be getting it off. Then you could see, you could tell right here if you go in. See right here, like on the other side already, I already cut it off. So all we need is this side. So you can see it has already been deattached. We cut that one off successfully and this one as well. All we need is the one right there in the back.
After freeing the spoiler from the 4 clip-ons and the 3M tape, you'll remove. Be careful for the camera wire not to get caught on anything. the spoiler, we'll begin to remove the 3M tape that was left behind. Removing the remaining 3M tape, we'll go ahead and spray down the car with any cleaning solution. Transfer process, starting off, we need a T15 star nut. And we have 4 screws to remove for the camera. Next step for the camera transfer process, we'll start by removing the cable. With a small screwdriver, grab the clip, lift it up, and pull. And to complete with the same T15. And then after removing the camera from the OEM bracket with the provided bracket and with your OEM hardware, grab your camera cable again and just snap it right back in. To finish bolting on the camera to the bracket, you may need to go to the hardware store or if you have any supplies at home. After completing the transfer of the camera, you will need a drill with a large drill bit to drill right here for the cable of the camera. After properly drilling the hole out to an ideal size for the cable to fit through, you'll then run it through the back. And then with the screws provided, fasten down the camera. And that completes the items that need to be transferred over from the OEM spoiler. After cleaning the surface with the cleaning solution, we're now going to apply the 3M tape. We're going to continue on lining the bottom. After removing the protective layer on the tape, and run your camera hole. Align it with the trunk. Make sure your screw holes align to these holes on this side and on this side. After aligning it with your screw holes, with the screws provided, in this case, as we suggested to the customer, we use 3M tape all around and included these screws. There is an extra 6 screws included in the package. And with your personal preference, if you would like to put these screws, it's going to be a little bit tighter to put those screws, but we suggest use those two screws and 3M all around. Go. After reinstalling the spoiler and running the camera wire to the trunk, we're now going back and reconnecting it to the power supply. We are now going to reinstall the trunk liner. After you install, this is your new look, guys. This is your installation of the Hellcat Redeye spoiler, part number vz102182. Installation, depending on your experience, will usually take 30 to 45 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Join our Facebook group, show off your ride, follow us on Instagram. And the next video, Bad Boy added 500 horsepower, racing the C8. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you guys in the next video.
My star?
Bye, guys.
Took a little bit longer, but it is a pretty easy install. It's just 3 pieces of 3M. Cut it off, and then boom, you're done.
And don't remember the 2 bolts.
The last 2 bolts, and then the 2 clips that are inside. You could take them off with some pliers, or try to squeeze your hand in there and try to press on them, and you should be able to pull it off. Pretty easy.
Fairly easy, guys. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, likes, comment, and subscribe to.
Let us know down below who you want to see next on the next installation. Ethan or Cat? Or Ben?
You want Ben to install it for you guys next time, guys? Let us know in the comment below. Thank you.